If you need a concealed weapons permit, please look us up online at sclegalcarry.com. Alright guys, we got in a new lower here. This is a grip for P365. 313 Tactical is where I got it from. He does a great job. Remember, he did the painting on my X5. So remember, we always check it for clear. Slide lock it open, no magazine in the gun. Flip the takedown pin and slide the top off. We won't need this. Set this to the side. Now what we got to do is pull the internals out of here and move them over into this firearm. So let's get started doing that. There's a small roll pin right here. In the back, we're just going to pop that pin out. One pin comes completely out. We'll set this over to the side. Comes out in one solid unit. So look right inside here. You see this little notch here? Little notch right over here. We've got two little notches here and here. We've got to match those up. So it won't slide straight in. It's got to go in at an angle so that you can get those two little notches in there. So see how I'm pushing it down in the front first so that it seats. We need to put our pin back. Remember, if your takedown pin comes forward while you're doing this, just pick up on your slide latch, just push the slide latch up and your takedown pin goes right back into position. Test your trigger. Reset works, trigger works. There we are. Put the magazine in it. And the 15-round magazine in it. Remember folks, be a responsible adult. Don't push your responsibility as an adult off onto a child. Buy gun locks and gun safes. Secure your firearms. Till next time guys, take care.
Steel with it. Get this steel with it. Super nice gun. I am loving this thing.